Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a good week so far. And welcome to this new video on Pepe. Wanted to do a bit of an update. I covered this on Monday as well, so we'll update that. But just in general, we'll do a full update on what you need to know and what's possible from current levels as well. It's not looking amazing, to be honest. Maybe that's not the start you want from a video like this. But we'll be realistic, all right? That's the only way to do it. I have to be honest to you. And what we said in the last video still applied very much to the moves we got, right? Because what we had Monday is a relatively good start to the week. Pepe was able to reclaim this level right here above 10,000. But what we said in that video is that, all right, well, now the question is that, all right, well, Sunday to Monday is very often a period of time that can be very bullish or very bearish, and then it all turns around in the day after. So what we said is that now it's absolutely key that we're going to be able to hold this level right here, the value area high, and that level around 10,000. And we were unable to do that. We dropped down below that. So unfortunately, what we said back then as well is that, all right, well, then we'll probably turn bearish on the lower time frames. And maybe consolidate. And that is also, I think if you look at Pepe right now, this is a 12-hour time frame. The main thing you could call this is a consolidation. The EMAs right here, as you can see, are almost completely flat because of the direction and the bearish pressure we've seen from Bitcoin and the bearish breakout we got from Pepe. I'm leaning to be relatively bearish on Pepe as well. But technically we are consolidating. So what we need to see right now, and by the way, momentum is also dropping down, as you can see right here. Again, we had some momentum coming in yesterday and Monday. There was quite a lot of momentum coming in, like I said earlier as well. But that has gone away quite a bit. So short term here, I'm just bearish on Pepe. I do think we have some strong support right here. And today in general, like if you look at the crypto markets as a whole, I do think on the lower time frames and on the short term they are bearish, but there's plenty of reasons to still be bullish fundamentally. So I do think you need to be ready for some sort of a move up. And then for Pepe specifically, you have this level right here between 9,000 and 8,500, which is basically a combination of still the last remainders of some sort of an uptrend, right? With the 200 and the 100 EMA and some sort of a trend line, but we can delete that. And then you also have the POC of this range, right? So that's the point of control. That's where a lot of volume has been transacted. So the one possibility for Pepe to turn bullish is if Bitcoin actually gets some sort of a bounce, hopefully from positive inflation rate data. We spike down into this level and we get a strong reaction from that. But ultimately, what it boils down to is breaking above 10,000. All right. I think we can do this from this level if the market also plays into that a hand. But ultimately, that's the thing we need to do. We need to break above that, and then we can rally back up to the highs and potentially make higher highs. But this is the most bullish scenario. And at this point of time, after getting the bearish breakout and having no momentum here, I wouldn't say that's most likely. I think it's a possibility. I think you need to be careful. I think you need to be prepared for that possibility. But I would say most likely at this point of time is that we will be able to hold this level, but that ultimately will fall back down into the bottom of this range right here at 7,000. So I hope I'm wrong about that, but purely technically, that just seems like the most probable scenario here. So then I have to tell it to you. Then I have to give it to you that way, right? But those are my thoughts, all right? That's what I think you need to know. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.